Hello everyone and welcome to An Assamese in Austria. Today we're taking you on a journey to experience a glimpse of what it's truly like to live in a beautiful secluded hut nestled right in the heart of Austria's breathtaking Alpine hills. As the majestic Alpine landscape slowly unfolds before us, your eyes will be drawn to the sheer vastness of it all. Here, endless rows of towering pine trees stretch out in every direction, forming a dense, emerald green forest that seems to touch the very sky. There's a profound sense of peace here, a quiet, almost sacred embrace of nature that instantly soothes the soul. The air feels crisp, carrying the subtle scent of pine and earth, and nestled perfectly, almost hidden, within this stunning, serene canvas of green, you'll discover the charming hut we called home, a truly idyllic hideaway, promising comfort and quiet seclusion far from the world below. Now let's take a closer look around this special place. Starting from the outside, we'll walk through the charming gate and discover our beautiful outdoor space, an inviting area perfectly designed to simply unwind and soak in the warm summer sun. Imagine relaxing here, perhaps with a gentle breeze, while the panorama truly opens up before you. It's a breathtaking view that stretches endlessly across the majestic Alpine valleys and towering peaks, painting a landscape so vast and serene, it truly invites you to just sit back, breathe deeply, and let the sheer beauty of it all wash over you. So what can you experience here? One of the most beautiful aspects is simply being utterly immersed in nature. Step just outside, and you're surrounded by an abundance of beautiful wildflowers. We spent so much time simply admiring these delicate blossoms, each one a tiny splash of color against the vibrant green. It's a truly peaceful feeling to be so close to such natural beauty. So what else can you experience here? Beyond the vibrant wildflowers, being with nature also means truly being amongst it, almost like stepping onto a gentle farm. You'll quickly find yourself surrounded by the charming presence of grazing cows, peacefully enjoying the lush alpine pastures all around you. Their soft bells often chime gently in the distance, adding to the tranquil symphony of the mountains. It's a serene, almost meditative feeling to share this beautiful space with these gentle creatures. What you can experience here, as each new day begins, is truly magical. You can experience the absolute magic of the morning as the sun slowly rises, casting its golden embrace across the entire landscape. It feels as though a warm, gentle blanket of light is softly unfolding, kissing the mountains awake and transforming everything it touches. It's truly a sight to behold, watching the day begin in such a breathtaking way. So, what else can you experience here? Here you can experience the irresistible pull of the forest itself. Being so close to it, a hiking trip is almost a must. The hike begins with a rather unique welcome, a slightly eerie display of animal skeletons. But fear not, for once you venture deeper, you'll find yourself truly immersed in the heart of nature. Here, the air is alive with the sounds of the forest, the rustling of leaves, the gentle murmur of a nearby stream, and perhaps the distant call of a bird. Sunlight filters through the canopy, creating dappled patterns on the forest floor. The scent of damp earth and pine fills your lungs as you walk amidst towering trees, feeling a deep connection to the natural world around you. So, what else can you experience here? Being nestled in this alpine setting, you simply cannot avoid the allure of exploring the other smaller huts dotted across the landscape. We found ourselves drawn to one in particular. Though we only admired it from the outside, we were utterly mesmerized by the explosion of beautiful flowers that vibrantly surrounded it, and right next to it, a lovely stream meandered gently, filling the air with the tranquil, peaceful sound of flowing water, creating an utterly serene environment. So, what else can you experience here? One just can't avoid getting attracted by the main pathway, the very hiking trail used by most who venture into these mountains. It has a magnetic pull of its own, inviting you to discover what lies beyond the next bend. As we also hiked along it, we were consistently welcomed by both beautiful landscapes that unfolded with every turn, vast, open vistas giving way to dense, whispering forests, alive with the sounds of nature, and the constant, soothing presence of a beautiful stream guiding our way. Its crystal-clear waters tumbled gracefully over moss-covered stones, creating a gentle, rhythmic gurgle that became the peaceful soundtrack to our journey. Every step was a pure delight in nature's embrace, as you simply lose yourself in the serene beauty surrounding you. We hope this glimpse into the peaceful heart of the Austrian Alps has brought a moment of calm and inspiration to your day. If you've enjoyed experiencing this serene hideaway with us, please consider liking this video and subscribing to An Assamese in Austria for more journeys into the beauty of this incredible country. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure, and leave a comment below to let us know what you thought of this experience. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.